Today we are in Axis and I'm going to basically body fence, you will know what it is later, my vehicle. I'm going to bring you in. You guys are going to flip out. There we go. Check this out. I don't know if you see, all this is a see-through cover. It's called body fence. Then we avoid all the scratch mark, banging the doors, everything you basically want to have in your car. Keeping the same color. As you can see, it's clear. Maybe I will do some details, this, and maybe this. Those guys are working here. This is a lab. Look at this. It looked like this before, and here we go. They're doing the full thing. Massive work. Or we could go like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. But no, I keep it clear. I like the black. It looks nice. And there we go. Look at those guys working. It's all about details. It's pretty sick. Alright, it's been 2 days we're working on the car. Chirurgie. Car is full covered now, ready to go off-roading or whatever could happen when you have a body fence like this. It's no problem. Dirty. Sick. Now it's detail time. Matte black chrome. We did this as well, just, you know, for a little. Doing the front. Oh yeah, check the other one. Boom. This is new. It's like matte chrome with a little bit of satin on the top. Look at that! Easy, buddy, easy! Removing the latex. Wow. Proper job. In the meantime, I've been riding. I think the car is almost done because I hear it. Where's my car? See the light? Alright. Hey! Hey! Woo-hoo-hoo! Body fence everywhere! Oh yeah! Look at that, baby! So sick! Oh man, look at those details! Look at that! Woo! So sick! Fresh and so clean, clean! Look at this, baby! Look at that! Boom! Boom! Woo-hoo-hoo! It's a wrap, boys. Thanks, Exits and Body Fence, to pimp my ride. See you later.